Hacking Wizard today. This is Hacking Wizard, and I'll be playing cats. This is my second video of doing cats. My first one is at least about 30 minutes or so. Or was it 20 something? So I have no idea because... Okay, anyway, I'm right now waiting. So if you want more, this is like my third video, sort of, I think. Yeah, and I hope you give me a like and please subscribe. I have at least like 6 subscribers, so I want to like make it to about 100. And so yeah, so if you think this is a boring part, you can skip ahead to the part where I play cats. Okay, right now, just be waiting. So so the first video about cats was like very good. It was like my longest video. I hope this video will be long as that one. I don't know if it'll be more or shorter. So anyway, let's wait for this bubble thingy. So yeah, we'll just wait a little bit. Oh, and I did a different one, like oh wait, now it's come. Ziptolab. Cats Crash Arena Turbo Stars. Okay, look at these guys. Oh my god, they're so cool. I kind of... Why is this hat flying in the air? Okay, it's starting. Okay. Great job out there. Rumors are trying to spread around. Are you just gonna X about this? Okay, Ace Jack has invited us to his lair. Do you like playing risky games? Take the 2 bets. Hi Michael, would you like to make a bet this upcoming fight? What do you think is going to win? Choose one of the players and place your bet. The part you get bet will gain super bonuses. Okay, try it. Ooh. Who should I bet on? This guy. Okay, this. And wait, there's more? Okay. This. And, yeah, this. Place body here. Place body here. Oh. Then why is this working? This. Okay, this is too frustrating. Okay, this is Jason. Okay. Desktop formation. Howdy partners, see you have some idle. Okay, blah blah. It's co-plots, side to Fakos, but they bring XP. Okay. Accept. Send. Accept. Oh, I can't. Okay. Okay, do another one. How about this? And not enough power. Okay, how about this? How about this? Okay, time to edit. Championship. Let's fight. Wait. Okay, waiting for this. Okay. Yay. Okay. Oh, nice, Titan. Wow. 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 Ooh, okay. Thank you. Let's fly. Oh wait, I'm gonna try this guy. See if I can beat him up. Let's go. Oh dang! Why did I think of that before? Okay. Why did I think of that before? Okay. Okay, let's fight now. Oh, dang, I forgot the wheels. Oh my god. Okay. Here. The other one. Here. Okay, let's go. Okay, wait, no. Okay. Fight. Oh, fight. Let's go. You're dead meat person. Woohoo! Let's go. Oh no. No! No! Okay. Take that. No. Oh no. Oh no. No. Dude, this guy has double cannons? Yeah, he's dead. Mr. Perfect. You lost. Oh no. Oh my god, this guy's strange. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Thank you. Ooh, nice. Okay. So wait, what is this? Okay, thank you. What's this? Okay. I'm gonna fly like this, and I want to see if it works. Okay, fly. Oh yeah, I think I'm gonna have the boombox. Yeah, I'm currently losing. Dang, why do these people have so many drills? It's one less. Haha! My gosh, this is so gonna be. I'm like, what the heck? He doesn't even have any weapons. Just wow. The other person, boom. That is so strange. Okay, dang, that's it. Okay, okay. Change it to another one. Yup, and then, what does he mean by not enough power? I gotta upgrade this power thingy. Come on. And, here it is. And, what the heck? Where did I put the... Okay, I'm just gonna buy that. Actually, then put this here. Okay, so this, if it's working. Okay, championship. Okay. Wait. Fine. Only. Oh yeah, I'm dead meat on this one. Oh my god. Let's go. 5%. Why does it always have to be these stuff? Gosh, I'm gonna skip it. And your dead meat. Bam. Leveling them up. Brr. No. Oh yeah. Take that. Fight. What does it mean to be hard hollow? Okay, let's fight this guy. Haha! He's knocked undersized. Yeah, fight him. This is actually pretty cool. Boom. Oh no. Dang it! What the heck are these for the boosters? Woohoo! Yup. Yup, it's an ad. Dang. Okay, come on. Ooh, what is this? No. Okay. Yep. Woohoo! Let's go. Okay. Okay. So what exactly? Oh wait, let's see this. Nope. Quick fight. Yeah, let's try doing quick fight. Oh, dang. Goodness, that is dang. Okay. Other one. Wait, what's this? Okay, I got 30. Okay, do this. Okay, and yup, and okay. Okay, so we're doing again another one. Yes, Billy. Yup. How's my dad? Just coming in, okay, that was just my dad. And okay, like, okay, let's read. Oh my god. Okay, quick fight. Dude, what the heck are these cannons? But too late, you lost. You just gotta belly flop them. Okay, and another ad that I hate. Okay. Okay. Ooh, yes. Okay. Another ad that we will have. This is cannon. Man, this episode was good. Yep, not doing it. Oh my god, I hate hats of the gigantic stuff. So, we're playing Cat Smurd. Come on. X. Yes! Ooh, color please. Okay, so these. Okay. Tap for missions. Let's see these. Okay, let's fight again. Claim. Here. My first one. Should we change to this? Here. Put this right here. Right here. There. And put this. Let's play this guy. Dude, that guy has. Okay. This guy just died from the start. The boosters are bad. No. Oh, dang. Ha ha ha. Wow. Dang, no. Well, dang. And there we go. We got another ad. Okay, I guess we can skip now. No, we do not want to. Okay. Okay. So this is all for our video. So anyway, bye. See ya.